Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Fernandoherrera and my Amazon account is this close from being just completely shut down. I just got a call from Amazon and they told me that they're about to close down my account because there's certain metrics that I'm not meeting. But the most interesting thing I feel about all this is that they actually are taking the time to help me and fix these issues and stay within the platform. So I've had experience with other companies such as eBay deactivating my accounts without even telling me. They just close you down. But Amazon, I can see why they are the most successful company in the world in my preference in terms of how they operate and how they run their business. So I'm going to show you guys just right here, kind of like how my metrics look. And so as you can see, my order defect rate is above the target. So if you're unfamiliar with how Amazon works, is you have this account health. It's like a dashboard that tells you everything about the health of your account. And so I normally just focus on this, right? So I'm in green, so I'm not gonna worry about it. So, but apparently whenever you have these little exclamation marks, caution symbols, you really have to pay attention to them, because out of 196 orders that I've had over the last 60 days, I've only had 3 errors or order defect rates, or I guess errors on my end, and that's above their target. And this is not the main reason why they called. The main reason why they called was my cancellation rate. So this is actually quite excessive. Out of 9 orders that I've gotten in the last 7 days, 6 of those orders I've had to cancel. And the reason is because I have this master Amazon ASIN sheet, which again, I'll show you guys right here. Okay, so I have this master Amazon ASIN sheet where I have someone just literally going, searching these items in Amazon and pasting an ASIN so then I can import them into Amazon. So apparently some of these co-workers I've had, they're pasting the wrong ASIN number. And so that's causing items to be incorrectly placed, and then I have to cancel the order because, this guy's buying a 16-inch tire when I'm actually about to ship a 15-inch. So because of my cancellation rate, 66%, they've went ahead and made this big thing about, hey, your order defect rate's above 1%, and then you're like way over the target. It's like 2.5% cancellation rate. So not only that, I'll show you guys this email here shortly, because I got this performance notifications. But this why I think, and again, I think Amazon is so impressive, because they're reaching out and look what they're saying. Look, we attempted to reach you out by phone more than 2.5. So they explain, your seller fulfill orders will be deactivated in 72 hours unless you provide a plan to bring your metrics below the threshold. And so they explain what's going on, what they expect, and they go in and send this very long email. And not only that, they kept calling me like 3 or 4 times in the last few times. So they're serious. And so now that I spoke with them, you guys can see here, and I'm gonna hide my other notes here, but so you guys can see here that this is what we spoke right now on the phone. So they wanted to know the root cause. So I told them, hey, we're incorrectly mapping our items. They wanted to know the corrective measures. So I told them, look, we have already updated our master ASIN file. So with these specific items, we're not gonna have this issue anymore. And then they wanted preventative measures. So I had to commit myself to putting a second employee to reviewing all the master ASINs that we already have, just to double check that everything's mapped appropriately. And so, I was impressed, guys, because that shows why Amazon is so successful. The employee that I spoke to over the phone, she was on it. She was I felt like I was working for Amazon, which again, maybe some people won't like. But personally, a lot of my job in the tire business, like Tire Mart, is setting up controls, processes, and the process that Amazon has here to prevent sellers from being deactivated, to reach out to them and ask these specific questions, which is discussing the root cause so it doesn't happen again, discussing if we've actually corrected the current issue or the measure, and then preventing, it's just mind-blowing. So I thought today in this video, just explain to you guys why I think Amazon is the most successful company in the world in terms of operation and efficiency, and effectiveness. Although again, some people complain that, I personally never worked in Amazon, but just working with Amazon or along Amazon as a seller, I could see that Amazon is a very strict company. They're serious about their business, and there's no kidding around, no joking around. You do good or you do good. There's no middle ground here. So again, I think that's impressive. I think that every company honestly should root for that. Maybe to a certain degree. I know that there has been some controversies with Amazon as whether they let their employees take restroom breaks and all that stuff. But let's be honest, guys, there's a lot of slackers out there that just use restroom breaks to cut some slack. And if you're honestly just thinking like that in your own business, you're probably not going to succeed. You have to be on top of it, and working with Amazon and having someone to actually push you to become better, because this will ultimately make us better, right? We don't want to cancel those orders. If we could have fulfilled them, we would have loved to fulfill them. But it's nice to see that Amazon's actually taking that corrective approach and saying, hey, look, you guys need to step it up. But well, guys, let me know what you guys think. Have you worked in Amazon? If you've worked maybe in Amazon, I would love to hear what you feel about the company. Or if you're a seller in Amazon, definitely let me know. But this is just, again, a tip of, as a seller perspective, of how this third time probably Amazon calls me that my account's in risk of deactivation. Hopefully my account doesn't get deactivated, because a large sum of our sales do come through Amazon. But we're working to improving our relationship. But again, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please smash that like button. If you're interested in more videos like these, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys again next time. Peace.